Alright guys, I'm at work right now, so I can't really record like the way I want. What the hell? That was weird. But, in general, I just need to do a whole bunch of good shit because I have been slacking lately, guys. It's been real. I just been working and don't have time to do really much that I want to do, if that makes any sense. I want to do a lot more because I'm at work. I probably work all day, so probably just got to be here all day. It's hot in my car, the stove's right there. We're chilling right now, guys. We're chilling. I'm telling you, we're fucking chilling. Alright. So I'm at work. You guys can see me. I'm at work. But I need to check my oil change at the same time. Not my oil change, but I need to check my oil. So yeah. Gotta get some napkin first. I gotta get some napkin. Man, you guys can't see shit. There you go. Gotta get some napkin first because my oil, it says maintenance required on my dash, and I need to check that shit like ASAP, like motherfucking ASAP. Not bad, not bad. Fuck me. Pretty good. Just got home from work. I am starving, guys. I haven't eaten all day. I ate sandwiches and 2 packs of pistachios. That's it. You know? Assalamu alaikum. I'm home. Alright guys, look, so my bird just landed on my sister's banana, and it's kind of funny because I was eating and I seen the whole thing. Look at that. He's just on there. He does not care.
I was enjoying this banana too.
I don't want to get too close because I don't want to fly away. Look, I'm just chilling on it.
She got a picture.
That's a perfect landing spot. It's a smile meter. There you go.
They can have his banana.
He's destroying it.
He's not even eating the banana, he's in the peel.
Way to look, smile. You got it. Damn, you guys can't see me. No, don't get one. But so yeah, I got a toolbox from school, guys. Well, I came back from school like 3 hours, 5 hours ago. You know what I'm saying? But I got a toolbox, guys. Like, free toolbox from school. Ridwan! Ridwan. Ridwan.
The creature chewed her cheek up a little, but she's okay.
Sleeping?
No, I knew you weren't sleeping. Come on, Ridwan. Let's go do it.
Where you going?
Let's go take the toolbox out.
Figure out where?
The car.
What car?
No, for real.
For a what?
It's in my car and I need to take it out.
Alright, come on.
Come on. It's heavy. But no, serious. Because the toolbox. Guys, like that transition? I do. I just go grab my keys. I need that. I need that. I'll show you the box of tools that I have receipts from my school. Big. There's more to it. Yeah. Me and my friend. We got lids for it. That's the air camera. You need some out?
Yeah,
Go to the other side.
In the chair.
Oh yeah, open. Oh, it's the chair. Alright, hold on. We're gonna figure it out right now. Oh. You got it. Or we just do this.
That's it?
What's that? What's that? I'm gonna go take this to the front door.
Yeah.
It's not that. It's like I got nowhere to grip it from. I got one side I can grip it, and the other side I can't. You know? Gotta do that. Let me just put this over there as well. Can you hold this real quick? Be right back. So we got the whole shebang bang. The top piece, the bottom piece where the rollers are at, the wheels, and this is the stands to stand this on. Dang, I'm excited. I'm about to cut the box open right now because I want to see the legs of the whole box. You know, look, they teased me with this, with the square of opening. Now I just need to cut this apart and slide it out. I'm actually really excited, so come on, it's Toolbox. Okay, so I got both of the legs out. Well, I kept one in the plastic. My bird's chilling, my dad's chilling. Like this. This is legit. This is so legit. This box, I believe, has the tools in it. This box is a lot bigger than this box. So we shall see. I'm gonna see right now. It's just lighting. I have no idea what's in here. Oh yes, the tools. That's all the tools, yeah. You can't see it, but it's all the tools. I'm gonna put that together a little bit later. No light. I think I'm gonna put that together a little later. And not even worry about it right now. But yeah, we're getting it done. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I need to take a shit the whole entire time. And it's coming out right now as I speak. So, I'm not even gonna lie, I need to take a shit this whole entire time. So I'm gonna go use the bathroom as we speak.
Gotta go get it, that's the reflex. I know you can tell it when